Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best kitchen products to make your life easier and your cooking more enjoyable. Today, we're taking a look at the Amazon Basics non-stick 8-piece kitchen cookware set. This set is considered one of the best non-stick frying pans with lids available today. Let's dive in and see what makes it stand out. If you're looking for a budget-friendly cookware set that offers quality and convenience, this might just be what you need. The set includes all the essentials: an 8-inch fry pan, a 10-inch fry pan, a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, a 2-quart saucepan with a lid, and a 3-quart casserole pan with a lid. It's a versatile set that covers almost all your cooking needs. One of the standout features of this cookware set is its non-stick coating. Whether you're making scrambled eggs or frying fish, this non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning effortless. Food slides right off the pans, leaving behind minimal residue, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. The soft touch handles are another great feature of this set. They stay cool even during extended cooking sessions, so you don't have to worry about burning your hands while flipping pancakes or stirring soup. They're designed for comfort, giving you better control while cooking. The spiral bottom of these pans ensures even heat distribution across all cooktops, gas, electric, and glass stovetops. However, keep in mind that this set is not compatible with induction cooktops, so it's best suited for traditional cooking methods. While this cookware set is easy to use, it's designed for hand washing only. So, if you're used to tossing your cookware in the dishwasher, you might want to reconsider. But given its affordability, the extra effort of hand washing is definitely manageable. In terms of durability, the aluminum construction provides excellent heat conductivity, making it lightweight yet sturdy. The cookware set is also free from harmful chemicals, including BPA, which adds an extra layer of safety for you and your family. And when you're done cooking, this cookware is easy to store. Its compact design means it won't take up too much space in your kitchen cabinets. So, if you're in the market for a high-quality, non-stick cookware set that's budget-friendly and reliable, the Amazon Basics non-stick 8-piece cookware set is a solid option to consider. It's great for everyday cooking, and with the added convenience of its non-stick coating and comfortable handles, you'll find it hard to go wrong. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products for your home. Until next time, happy cooking!